So today I'm going to talk about OPM, other people's money. That is the secret ticket that every wealthy Canadian, every wealthy person in the world for that matter, understands and uses to their advantage. Earning more income, paying more tax, and then scrounging up and saving more money is not the way to become independently wealthy or financially independent. And it is exhausting. To me, that sounds like more risk. However, in a record low interest rate environment, we are seeing 5-year fixed mortgage rates in 1.8 to 1.9% with conventional lenders such as Canadian banks. And what that would mean is that if you used that opportunity to borrow to invest over the long term, you would have to only beat 1.9%. But remember, interest on money used to borrow to invest is tax deductible, which means if you're at an above average income, means you're probably paying about 40% income tax, which means you probably only have to beat on the net basis 1%. If your advisor cannot consistently make a 1% rate of return over a 5-year period, you need to fire them immediately. And that is regardless of what happens in the market. If the market rolls over 20, 30%, your portfolio should be designed to profit during those periods by using non-correlated assets. But more importantly, when interest rates are at these record low levels, it provides a unique opportunity where you can virtually automatically earn more money off of your money, which is the smartest way to grow your wealth.